Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to play Geometry Dash on a school computer. So what you need to do is search for the unblocked versions. Go to Google, search Geometry Dash HTML5 unblocked. Now usually you'll find a Google Sites link. These ones are usually not blocked by your school. Google Sites are usually not blocked. And you can also search for a Geometry Dash Lite browser. Now you can open up this one. These ones are usually not blocked as well. So we have this one, as you can see it's loading up, right? And we have this one right here also loading. You can go ahead and play this one on your school PC. As you can see right here, it's almost done. And you just go ahead and click and play. You find the different versions here that work for you. Depending on the school and what they use to block these sites, one of them might not work, but usually you'll find some that do work. For example, for me, this one does not work, but this one works, as you can see. And I'm able to play the game. There you go, as you can see, fully functional, and we are able to play. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.